Hello everyone, Timo here. This week, the Winter Olympics will officially open in Milano Cortina, Italia. Finally, nagbabalik ang games sa land of pizza and pasta after 2 decades. For Cortina d'Ampezzo, halos 7 dekada silang naghintay para dito. Pero wait lang, alam ko ang niisip nyo, bakit natin pinag-usapan ang Winter Games? Hello, Pilipinas tayo! Ang tanging winter lang sa atin ay yung buga ng aircon sa mall o yung pag-akyat sa Baguio during the season. Shoutout po sa mga residents dyan para sa Panagbenga Festival. Actually, based on the recent multi-sundry survey, our signals are mixed. Our awareness is high at 7.17 over 10, pero ang interest medyo lang with 5.17 over 10. Today, let's answer the question. Big deal nga ba ang Winter Olympics para sa atin? Or are we just trying to fit in? First things first, sino ba ang pabado natin this year? Our team will consist of 2 alpine skiers, 1 male, 1 female, 22-year-old Francis Ceccarelli and 17-year-old Talula Poo. Not sure if I'm pronouncing their surnames correctly, please let me know. Anyway, marami sa inyo ang nagabang sa ating men's curling team. The Pfister brothers made headlines last year during the Asian Winter Games sa Harbin. High hopes tayo doon, di ba? Unfortunately, hindi sila pinalad sa qualifying tournament last December. It's a heartbreak, yes, but that's sports. I bet most of you hindi masyadong tutok dito. Mas focus tayo ngayon kung sino ang papasok sa NBA o kung anong latest ng ating tennis superstar na si Alex Yala. Fair enough, normal lang naman na supportan ang sports na nalaro natin sa kalsada o sa clay court. Pero bago nyo skip tong video, know this, ang Pilipinas ay may history sa yelo na mas malalim pa sa iniisip nyo. Did you know that the Philippines was the first truly tropical nation to compete in the Winter Olympics? We beat everyone else to it. Noong Sapporo 1972 sa Japan, we sent 2 alpine skiers, ang magpinsan na sina Juan Cipriano and Ben Anasca. Picture the scene back then, that people probably wondered, anong ginagawa sa gitna ng snowstorm? But they went and showed up. After that, nagkaroon ng mahabang katahimikan, 16 years bago tayo bumalik. Sa Calgary 1988, Raymond Ocampo competed in luge, sliding down to the ice at 130 km/h. Then sa Albertville 1992, alpine skier Michael Teruel represented us. And then, silence. For 22 years, wala tayong representation na wala tayo sa radar ng winter sports. Everything changed in 2014. Do you remember Michael Christian Martinez? Siya ang kauna-unahang Filipino and Southeast Asian figure skater na nakarating sa Sochi Olympics. This was huge. Siya ang unang skater from a tropical country sa men's figure skating. I remember watching him then. It was surreal to see our kababayan on ice, competing against the giants of Russia and North America. His presence didn't just earn points. It inspired a new generation of Pinoy skaters. Biglang dumami ang mga bata sa rinks ng SM Mega Mall at MOA, dreaming of the same stage. Actress Ashley Ortega took notice and took the training. That's why she became the leading lady in the GMA teleserye Hot So Nice back in 2023. Oh wait, getting off the subject. Oh, after him, the momentum continued. Asa Miller was our sole alpine skiing representative in 2018 and 2022. Kahit mag-isa lang siya, bitbit niya ang bandilan natin through the snow. So, why is it a big deal? For some of you, simple, representation. Ang pupunta ni Ceccarelli at Pru sa Italia ay hindi lang para sa medalya. The statement that pusong Pinoy ay hindi lang pang basketball or boxing lang. We are global people living in deserts, tundras, and we can compete on ice. Every time a Filipino athlete races down an Italian mountain, they break the stereotype that we're limited by geography. Just like our Summer Olympic counterparts, breaking the stereotype of associated gender and sports. And winning golds! We are just a beach country. We are a nation of adaptable athletes. It's the same energy as our women's national football team sa World Cup noong 2023. No one expected us there, but we showed up and made noise. Kaya, sa darating na Winter Olympics, kahit busy kayo sa NBA o sa tennis, let's send a shoutout sa ating Winter Olympians. They braved the freezing cold to represent our warm islands. Ang tanong ko sa inyo, naniniwala ba kayo na magkaroon na tayo ng Winter Olympic medal in our lifetime? Or should we focus on summer sports? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This is Timo P. See you in the next video.